What do you want?
I want some lube.
Ooh.
I mean, the 56 T-Bird wants some lube.
Yes, puppy. All right, oil's going in. Scotty,
Tacos.
what are you doing? Why you got a shit-eating grin?
That thing's beautiful.
Yeah. Anywho, give them one of each, Scott.
I gave one out yesterday, and Ocean said.
All right, so we is shooting.
Shitting.
Oil's going in. We'll get that done. And we'll refill the trans. And we will be driving. All right, so I just cranked the car to build oil pressure. Oil light went out, so we are good there. I'm going to get in.
You ready?
Would you like to hook up the coil, sir? We're full of fluids. Should I hit the key now?
Nope. I will
How about now?
beat you senseless. Hold on.
If we video it, do you think we'll get more views? Fat guy beats up fat guy?
Because I've been shot by the Ram Treasure.
So I should hit it.
No! It's not going in.
Spit on it. Daddy.
I puppy. Come on. It's not going in.
Oh my God.
Come on. Get on, Stuart.
Put it in the hole, Stuart.
What the hell?
All right. You thought I was going to hit it?
Dude, I would beat you right now. Scotty! Okay, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. You're not listening. Wiper motor.
Oh my God, he got it out. Dual cam. Hi.
Hi. Double filming. Not
Double
like that, though.
Double fisting. That's after hours, right, Bernsey? So you want me to hit the key now? All right, coil wire's on. 1 pump, 2 pump, 3. 3 pump chump, baby.
Sounds about right.
Fire it up. No funky, nasty noises. We'll let her get up to temp. Well, there's no leak on the floor. That's good. All right. Cool. We'll let it get up to temp, and we'll go from there. All right. Test driving the old birdaroo here for John. This car drives so nice. La 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 la. I love this car. I love this car. I love this car. It's my kind of thing, my kind of thing. Okay, I'm not gonna sing anymore. I'm not gonna make Toby Keith roll over in his grave with my horrible renditions of stuff. This thing's fucking sweet. All right, she's ready to go. Mr. Scotty here has did some bleach white on the tires. I'm a little better. All right. Bernsy's gonna put this over in the parking spot. And then John, she's ready to come and get it. Yay!